As you can see, if I press a button in my keyboard, everything will light up around me, and if I press it again, everything will go dark. That is because we're using the full brightness toggle mod for Minecraft 1.21, and that's exactly what I'm gonna teach you how to download and install in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first step to get the full brightness toggle mod for Minecraft 1.21 is to click the second link in the description, which is a written guide on how to actually install this mod. However, if you don't want to read through the guide, just scroll down to step 1 and click download. That'll redirect you over here, where you're going to scroll down and choose the 1.21, which is the most recent version, and click on these little 3 dots and click download file, and that'll begin the download within 5 seconds for the full brightness toggle mod. Now, if you come back here to that second link, you're also going to need to download Collective. This is required by the full brightness toggle mod, so go ahead and click on this Collective little word in there. That'll bring you over here, where you're going to choose the 1.21 as well, and you're going to click download file, and within 5 seconds your file will begin downloading. Guys, using the full brightness toggle mod in public servers could get you banned. That is why I recommend that you create your own server using the first link in the description. With Apex Hosting, you could create either a Java or a Bedrock server, a server that supports over 200 mod packs with just a click of a button, and you could get all of that done in less than 5 minutes, and on top of that, get 25% off. Use that first link in the description to set up a server that has locations all around the world, so you don't have to worry about lagging, a server that you can control to your phone. So no matter where you are, you could access the server console, kick people out, change the settings, change the weather, whatever you want to do because it is your server. Again, Apex Hosting will give you 25% off if you use that first link. Let's keep going with the tutorial. Now we were able to download all the files, so let's go ahead and drag and drop those files into the desktop. Now guys, at this moment, if you already have either Fabric or Forge as a mod loader, you could just go ahead and add these files into your mods folder for either Fabric or Forge or even NeoForge, and you are set. You're good to go. You could go ahead and play Minecraft using the full brightness toggle mod, but I'm assuming most of you don't have neither Forge or Fabric or any mod loader, and that's what you're gonna need next. Anyways, go ahead and click on that Forge link in the description. These are written guide on how to download and install Forge. However, if you don't want to read through the guide, scroll down to step 1 and click download Forge here. That'll redirect you over here. Make sure you select Minecraft 1.21 or whatever version of the full brightness toggle mod you're installing, and then go ahead and click on installer. That'll bring you over here, where after 5 seconds a button labeled as skip will appear in the top right. So after 5 seconds have passed, go ahead and click on this skip button right here, and that'll begin the download for the installer of Forge. Once the installer of Forge has downloaded, go ahead and drag and drop it into your desktop, just like we did with the previous files. There we go, Forge just finished downloading. Now we have everything we need to start. The first thing you want to do is make sure your Minecraft game as well as your Minecraft launcher is completely closed, and once that's done, go ahead and right click on the Forge installer, click open with, and select Java. Very important that you select Java. If you don't have Java in there, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix that in a second. But once you open the Forge installer, all you have to do is select install client and hit OK. And like I was saying before, if you don't have Java or you're not able to open this jar file to install it, you're gonna need to install Java 21. And no, I'm not talking about Minecraft Java, I'm talking about Java 21 as the programming language that will allow you to open jar files and install mods for Minecraft. The thing is that after the Minecraft update 1.20.5, you now need Java 21 to install any mods for Minecraft, as well as to prevent any crashes after you install the mods and you're playing the game. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this guide in the description to download and install Java 21. It's super simple. All you have to do is download the installer and then hit next a couple of times, and your Java will be updated. After you update Java, I do recommend that you get rid of your older Javas using your add or remove programs to fix any compatibility issues. Anyways, click OK in here once we install Forge, and then go ahead and delete the installer. You don't even need it anymore. All that you should have left now is the full brightness toggle mod and the collective library, which will allow this mod to work. And all you have to do now is launch your Minecraft launcher before we add the mods in there. Now, once the Minecraft launcher open, if we install Forge properly, you should see it here selected automatically. All we have to do now is head over to installations, and over here in installations, make sure that modded is selected, because without modded, we won't be able to see Forge in here. And once you selected modded, once you find Forge in here, go ahead and open this little folder that appears right next to the play button when you hover over Forge, and that is going to open a folder with a lot of files in it. Now, if you don't see Forge in here, guys, you can always just click on new installation and name this whatever you want, like for example Apex Hosting, and then on the version just select Forge, and then go ahead and click create down here in the bottom right to create an instance of Forge in case you don't see it here. But most of you will see it. Just go ahead and open that folder up, which like I said, it has a lot of other files inside. In here, all we're doing now is looking for another folder called mods, M-O-D-S. Right here we have the mods folder, but let's assume we didn't have the mods folder, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and move mine out of here. Let's assume this is what your folder looked like. You don't have the mods folder. All you have to do now is just right click, hit folder, and create a new folder and name it mods, M-O-D-S. So basically you could create the mods folder yourself, whatever the case might be. If you found the mods folder or you created it, go ahead and open it, and now just drag and drop those two files that we downloaded earlier, the full brightness toggle mod as well as the collective mod, into this folder. Once those files are in here, go ahead and close this folder, head back into your Minecraft launcher, and now launch your Forge instance of Minecraft 1.21. You might have to click that you understand the risk, and then go ahead and click in there and hit play again. Okay guys, and once the Forge game opened, we know that we're in Forge because it literally says Forge right here on the top, Forge here on the bottom, and we can see this mods option in here, and we see that our full brightness toggle mod is working, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Go ahead and launch a single player world or a multiplayer world, doesn't matter. Like I said, only do this on a multiplayer world if you own the server. I don't recommend that you do this on a public server because it could get you banned. So I'm gonna actually gonna go ahead and launch a multiplayer server that I have in here. And as you can see, once you're inside the world, if you go ahead and head over somewhere where it's dark, let's get in here. If you go ahead and press the letter G on your keyboard, everything will light up. If you press it again, everything will go dark. If we press G again, everything lights up. So we know that our full brightness toggle mod is working just by pressing G a couple of times. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much how to download and install the full brightness toggle mod for Minecraft 1.21. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. That's all I ask in return. And as always, bye bye.